Question 22. Which factors are controlled by homeostasis? Homeostasis is the mechanism used by our body to bring back a certain balance that is required in the body. The first balance or the first factor that is discussed here is the water content in the urine. The water content in the urine can be changed to bring back a balance in the osmolarity of our blood or our blood pressure. So we know that in the kidneys specifically, there is a collecting duct where urine flows through before being excreted out from the kidneys. The walls of this collecting duct is lined by cells whose permeability to water can be altered. There is a hormone known as antidiuretic hormone, and as the name suggests, antidiuretic means to lower the total volume of urine produced ultimately. The antidiuretic hormone serves to increase permeability of these cells to water in the collecting duct so that more water can be reabsorbed out of the collecting duct, resulting in a lower volume of urine produced. The water that is reabsorbed can then help to increase back our blood pressure and return blood osmolarity back to normal. The receptors that are activated before the release of this antidiuretic hormone are also osmoreceptors, and the antidiuretic hormones are released by the pituitary glands upon activation of these receptors. Therefore, the water content in the urine is definitely controlled by homeostasis, specifically this hormone over here, and it serves to bring back a balance in our blood pressure or blood osmolarity. The second factor discussed is temperature in the liver. Temperature in our body, including temperature of specific organs, has to be maintained at a constant temperature of around 37 degrees Celsius. This is the optimum temperature for enzymes and proteins in our body to be functioning optimally. Any increase or decrease from this standard temperature will activate what we call thermoreceptors in our body that can bring about a series of changes to help bring back this temperature that is required. For example, through vasoconstriction and vasodilation, we can adjust the amount of blood that is flowing towards the periphery of our body just underneath the skin. With vasodilation of the peripheral blood vessels, more blood can be directed to the surface of the skin, allowing more heat to be lost since heat is carried by the blood. This occurs when our body temperature is a little bit too high than 37 degrees Celsius, and homeostasis serves to bring back the temperature down to 37 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature of our body, including temperature of our organs, has to be controlled by homeostasis, leaving us with A as the correct answer.